Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm unboxing a few things from the Key Company. I've got Infinikey 808 base kit, the matching desk mat, and the blood red Moody Moon series desk mat. So let's take a look over here at this product page. So the IFK Infinikey 808 Boom Keycap set was designed by CYO Keycaps and Langlandia. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. It was made in partnership with Children's Music Fund, a nonprofit that provides musical therapy for children with life-altering illnesses and chronic conditions. 100% of the designer's profits and $10 from each base kit went to charity. The matching desk mat, for some reason the website 404 page is not found, so I'm guessing it's not available anymore, but this is the desk mat. The Moody Moon series desk mat. I got the blood red. There is quite a few different options here, 5 different colors. I went with blood red because I've got a lot of red and black keycap sets and no matching desk mats. So without any further ado, let's get into this box and see what we've got here. Okay, that's weird. So there's some kind of weird residue on this box right here. I don't know what that is, but as long as it's not on the product itself, I guess we'll be all right. I need to bring that camera out a little bit, sorry. Hopefully it's not too messy up there. There we go. All right, so 808 Boom. Let's take a look at this here. I don't know what the heck is on that plastic wrap, but it's kind of gross. So let's get into here. So if this is like any other Infinikey keycap set, it'll be pretty good quality. I've always been pretty pleasantly surprised with the Infinikey stuff. As far as I know, they only make cherry profile keycaps. If I'm wrong, please let me know. But I know every Infinikey keycap set that I've gotten myself personally has been cherry profile. So alright, yeah, so it's typical quality for Infinikey. The legends look crisp. Everything seems to be pretty centered. Nothing looks out of whack. They're double shot keycap, or no, are they double shot or are they, hang on, I don't think these are double shot. What does it say here on the site? Yeah, so these are PBT die subs. Excuse me, these are die sub. They do some double shot. I'm pretty sure I've gotten a couple sets from Infinikey that are double shot. Sorry about my mistake there. Pretty colorful. Got some interesting options for your enter keys, your shifts, and all that stuff. But let's move on to the next desk mat. I don't want this unboxing to be too long. So this is the 808 Boom desk mats. Got rhythm composer, computer controlled. And of course it matches the keycap set, same colorway. Looks pretty nice. It's like sitting at a mixer board on your PC. And Moody Moon in blood red. Let's take a look at it. And that's upside down. Okay, accidentally hit the space bar there with this desk mat and ended the video, so I'll have to addendum these together. But I really like this desk mat. It's got a nice eerie little look to it. You got trees growing up through the switch. Looks good. All in all, pleased with this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new around here, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and come back for some videos in the future. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Later.